Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got 7 powerful Samsung Galaxy tricks and customization features that'll make your phone look cooler, run smoother, and feel totally unique. So we're covering everything from adding a yellow tap indicator for your screen recordings, to custom navigation buttons, to the new One UI 8 3D icon pack that makes your home screen pop. So if you love discovering hidden features like this, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which feature you're going to try first. So let's aim for a realistic goal of 250 likes this time, not 500, just 250. So every single like helps YouTube spread this video to more Galaxy users. So let's make it happen. All right, let's jump right into it. So feature number 1 is how you can get the yellow dot on screen when tapping. Ever wondered how tech YouTubers show a little dot wherever they touch the screen during tutorials like this? So that's called a tap indicator. So it's already built into your phone. You just need to turn it on. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up your settings. Go ahead and scroll all the way down. And here we need to enable the developer option. So you can enable this by going into About Phone, into the software information, and here tap on build number and tap on it at least 7 to 8 times. Once that is done, developer mode has been enabled. You'll get a message here. Go back. Now here, this is the new menu which you'll get called developer option. Tap on this. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the tap indicator. So in the input section, you'll see something called show taps. So this will show a visual feedback for taps. Make sure that is turned on for you. So once enabled, every time you touch your screen, you'll see a yellow dot appear on screen. If you go ahead and hold your screen and drag it around, you'll see a yellow dot following your finger. So this makes tutorial, gameplay videos, and app demos super easy to follow. It helps you see exactly where you're tapping during recording, and this is great for accessibility and teaching others how to use apps. This also gives your video a professional touch without needing editing software. So this one's perfect for content creators, anyone who records their screen often to show it to friends or family. Feature number 2 is your widgets pop-up window. Samsung's widgets are powerful, but sometimes they clutter your home screen like here. What if you could summon them only when you need them? So you can. So here, if I go ahead and swipe right from my edge of a screen, you'll see that this opens up the widget pop-up window. So here I can go ahead and choose any widget I like and have a look at it and interact with it. So imagine checking your calendar, Spotify, or weather widget without leaving your current app. So that's exactly what the feature does. So here, if I'm in, let's say, Play Store, I can go ahead and open up the widget window and check out my widgets, interact with it, and once I'm done, I can go back to my Play Store here. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So for this, we need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find One Hand Operation Plus. Make sure that is turned on. Now go ahead and configure the left or the right handle. I've just configured it for my left handle, so I'll tap on this. I want to go ahead and configure straight right. And here you want to go ahead and find the widget pop-up option. Tap on this. You can go ahead and configure this more. So you can go ahead and add a widget page looping. So if you have many widgets, you can basically just swipe and it'll go to the next page and then return back to the first page. So once that's done, press home. Now go ahead and turn on the widget window. So that's your widget window. To add a widget, go ahead and long press on this. Here you can go ahead and tap on add widgets. Go ahead and choose your widgets. And then you can go ahead and move it anywhere you like. If you want to add another page, tap on add page. If you want to go ahead and add a pop-up size, you can go ahead and make this much more larger as well. So this gives you a wide range of customization for this pop-up window. So this keeps your home screen clean and minimal. It boosts productivity by giving you info on demand. It looks futuristic like using a smart window system. It saves battery since widgets aren't running all the time on your home screen. So if you love multitasking or a clean setup, this is a must try. Feature number 3 is how you can remove ads when you're playing games or opening an app. So this is a hidden gem, blocking ads on your entire phone with a built-in setting. No root, no shady apps, just one line of text. So let me show you how to do this. There are 2 things which you can do. You can do ad blocking, or you can go ahead and protect your privacy. So first you need to go ahead and open up settings, tap on connections, scroll down and find more connection settings. From here, find Private DNS. Now you want to go ahead and turn on the Private DNS. So tap on Private DNS provider hostname And then you can go ahead and use this address, dns.adguard.com. So this will basically block ads on any apps you use, so like games or any other normal apps. Now next, if you want to go ahead and protect your privacy, you want to go ahead and add the following address called dns.quad9.net. So you can either add dns.adguard.com, this is for blocking your ads, or you can add dns.quad9.net to protect your privacy. Make sure you only have one address on it. Now once that's done, press save. So this blocks most intrusive ads system-wide. It saves your data and battery, it speeds up your browsing and gaming, and it keeps you safe from trackers and malicious sites. It's one of those set it once and forget it forever tweak every Galaxy owners should know. Feature number 4 is where you can customize images on the navigation bar buttons. Alright, so this one's for the customization lovers. You can actually replace your navigation bar icons with your own image or your own design. Yep, you can change the home, the back button, and the recent button to literally anything you want from your gallery. So let me show you how to do this. So first we need to go ahead and find images to replace these. So we need to find back, home, and the recent button. So you can go ahead and open up Google, and here you can go ahead and search for whatever you like. The home button, back button, or the recent button. Now I've already downloaded this off camera. So this is what I've downloaded for myself, home, the back, and the recent. So now I'm going to go ahead and replace this. So just a note, you can go ahead and replace it with any faces you like or anything from your gallery as well. Now next, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, scroll down, find NavStar. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now tap on New Configuration. Now here, you want to go ahead and edit these buttons. So first, we'll go ahead and edit the recent. We'll tap on Recent, then tap on Gallery. And then we'll go ahead and tap on Gallery. We'll go ahead and find the recent one here. So do you want to crop it? No, I don't want to crop it. Next, we'll replace home. Next, we'll go and replace the back. Now for close keyboard, we'll go ahead and find something like this. And then we'll go ahead and tap on save. Now here, we've already created it. So if you go ahead and scroll down from these images, you can go ahead and find yours, which you've created. Tap on this. And now as soon as you tap, you'll see that it has been replaced. So go ahead and tap on home. And now your navigation bar has customized image on them. So you can have anime style icons, minimal shape icons, funny memes, everything is possible here. So it makes your phone completely unique. It matches your wallpaper or theme. It adds creativity and fun to your interface. And you can basically switch icons anytime for a new look. So every time you tap home or back, it feels like your phone, not just another Samsung Galaxy phone. Feature number 5 is how you can install the new One UI 8 3D icon pack. Now this one's exciting. The brand new One UI 8 3D icon pack is here, and it gives your phone a stunning new gen look. So the icons are rounded, layered, and looks more like popping off your screen. So this is perfect for anyone who wants the polished Samsung aesthetic. So let me show you how to do this. So here we need to go ahead and first install a few things. So for this, you will need the Good Lock app. So make sure that app has been installed in your phone. This is available from the Samsung Galaxy Store. Next, you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. And here you want to go ahead and search for the icon pack. So it's called Icon Pack Studio. So you need to go ahead and install this app. Now, once that's installed, go ahead and open this. Now here you want to go ahead and search for the following. Search for Pretty. So Pretty. And then go ahead and bring this down. Now scroll through these and find this one here. Pretty iOS. So this is from user 382170. Go ahead and tap on this and then go ahead and download it. So it's already downloaded to my library here on the app itself. Now go ahead and tap on this and then go ahead and tap on Apply. Now go ahead and tap on OK. Tap on OK again. This will now download it to your phone. Now here at the top, it says your icon pack is ready. Tap on it to install. So we'll update this icon pack here. Go ahead and install this. We'll go ahead and open it. And this will now show us how to apply it. But we already know how to do this, so we'll press Home for now. Now we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and install the theme park module. Tap on that. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on Icons. and then tap on Create New. Now we'll go ahead and use the icon pack at the top here, and then we'll go ahead and use the exported icon pack. So tap on this. This will now load that 3D icon pack. Now go ahead and save this, give it a name, go ahead and tap on that 3D and then apply it. Now I'm going to go press home. This is how your 3D icons look like. As you can see, it gives a 3D effect on your phone. So you can see shadows, you can see a bit of depth in the icon itself. So you'll instantly notice the icons look more modern, consistent, and 3D. It gives your phone that premium One UI 8 finish. So this is a clean, cohesive icon style that feels official and fresh. So it enhances visibility and adds depth with the 3D shading. So this works beautifully with Samsung's dark and light themes, and you can mix it up with custom wallpapers for a completely new makeover. So it's an easy way to make your phone feel brand new without any complicated steps. Feature number 6 is where you can draw on your calendar. So this one's a seriously underrated feature. So did you know you can actually draw directly on your Samsung calendar? So you can highlight important dates, circle events, or even jot quick reminders, just like writing in a paper planner. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you need to first go ahead and take out your S Pen from your Samsung Galaxy device. Now you want to go ahead and open up the S Pen menu, which is right here. So this is the Air command for your S Pen. From here, you want to go ahead and find this option called Write on Calendar. If you don't see it, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and you can go ahead and add the shortcut to your Air command. So this is the shortcut you need to add, Write on Calendar. Now here you need to go ahead and open up the Write on Calendar option with your S Pen. This will open up your calendar here. Now you can go ahead and start drawing. So for example, if you have a holiday this week here, you can go ahead and mark it as a holiday. You can go ahead and change the size of your pen and the color. And like this, you can go ahead and do all the markings on your phone. Now, once you press save, that marking will be saved onto your calendar. So if you go ahead and open up calendar, you'll see those markings on your calendar itself. So this is like a visual organization. So your schedule looks clearer and more personal. So you can add colorful notes, doodles, or symbols. So this is great for planners, students, or anyone who likes seeing things visually. This works perfectly with Samsung Notes Sync for easy access later on. So it's one of those small details that turn your phone into a true productivity powerhouse. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you can get the Windows-styled tile layout on your Samsung home screen. And finally, if you want your phone to feel like a mini PC, try the Square Home. So this brings clean tiled Windows-style layout straight to your Galaxy device. So let me show you how to set it up. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. Here, you want to go ahead and search for the following app called Square Home. So this is the app you need. Go ahead and install this. Go ahead and open it, and you need to go ahead and set this as your default launcher. So you can go ahead and customize all this tile size, color, transparency, and the layout. You can even assign gestures and dynamic widgets inside each tile. So this makes your phone look and feel like a Windows desktop. So this is great for organization, and it's quick access to your most used apps. It supports live tiles and widgets. So it's perfect if you want something unique and productivity focused. And there you have it, 7 powerful Samsung Galaxy features and customization that can completely transform your phone experience. Which one was your favorite? Was it the 3D One UI 8 icon pack, the custom navigation buttons, or the pop-up widgets? Drop a comment below. I love hearing which feature you all try out first. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss my next Samsung tips video. So let's hit the goal of 250 likes, because the more likes this video gets, the more YouTube spreads it to other Galaxy fans like you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.